Yes, I. You see, noma ndithi manike nje ngithathe nje as walk yabo. As walk pha ework. Ubusy pha yabo. Yes, ubusy. Manje ndithi manike ngithathe le like le walk yabo. Nje ngicikide nje ngibethe umoya man. Yabo, betha nje umoya. Nani banisiyala, abantu abaniziyala they can do what they want to do at any time. Umuntu occupied. No. Sometimes it's great to give some time and space. Yeah. So, what I'm trying to say, I just want to say a quick recap, man. As in the or have you noticed this the new generation? That new generational, okay, it's not new generation, it's an old thing, but there is this thing that is happening in the African spirituality sector. There's this thing that is happening here, like in the African spirituality, since we are children of being victimized by all the ills the race has faced through time. Even nangoku sekukho ithemba ke ngolokuthi nje basalahlekelwa into yonke kwadestroywa izinto kwathini abanye bethu bathathwa bokwenziwa amakhoboka ngapha kwathini. Now at least this time we have hope ukuthi there is something we know as African spirituality, and now the mystery is that this African spirituality kuthethwa ngayo sonke sinalo ufifi lwayo, yabo, sinalo ufifi lwayo, but ke ngoku apho the strange khona, this thing has never been a religion from the beginning of time. So within ke ngoku this African spirituality aspect, se found ukuthi apha ke ku-African spirituality kulapho kungena khona izinyanya ke ngoku, kungena izinyanya when sidila nge-African spirituality. Ngena amathongo, ngena amadlozi, ngena imimoya, yonke nje into iyangena. Now i-African spirituality ngathi ngiyidefine mna in a way that izawuvele nje ihlale easy, even though mhlawumbi le ndlela might not be the way esiso sona in essence, but what can I say that can at least bring a clear understanding, Now what I can say is that yabona nje umuntu enalento kuthiwa ngumoya, ne umoya womuntu akekho umuntu owaziyo umoya wakhe ba isiqalo sakhe nesiphelo sakhe namandla akhe ngokomoya. Especially this time, we only know that piece, that glimpse, other abilities apha kule nto yomoya. Sisweleka singakhange like explore abanye they can only activate 2 or 3, yabo. So apha ke African spirituality, wonke umzi unamandla awo, njengoba wonke umuntu ezelwe ohlukile komnye nakomnye. So when it comes ke ngokuthi if our world was governed by these powers or by this knowledge, definitely the one who's going to come and take everything from us, he's supposed to introduce a different type of system, the system which will turn things upside down or vice versa, you see. So the way I see it, that's when this Christian mentality yapushwa le agenda yoba kufakwe i-Christianity apha kuthi, and most yethu in this time, because of most of the people who are Christians that uyazibona uba zi-hopeless Christianity yazi most ngabantu abaseghetto. The ghetto people, they don't like to learn, they are lazy mentally, and but also I understand that because of ukutya yabo disadvantage etyeni disadvantage uyo yonke into ukhumbula umzimba womuntu funeka utya izinto ezilihlaza zinonke into ezithile ukuze ukwazi ufunctiona to the fullest kwaye ingqondo le nokutya uthi xa utyile uvele idini ingqondo ngasikulala ungenzi fokolo. So sometimes ngesikhathi abantu engifana uba bayafunda kuso or they are doing something else ufumaniseka into yobana like uyadinwa umntu can't perform to the fullest yabo. Yeah, ngoku andiyani noba ndingakwazi uyijika le camera kunalaa nto kuthiwa ndibona i-reflection here like rainbow, but it's not rainbow but there, okay, I see it's a rainbow, but why is it strange? I see a strange rainbow there beyond the clouds. Let's check mhlawumbi sayibona. Can you see the rainbow there? Where is the rainbow? Where is the rainbow? Andiyazi ke madoda enzeka kanjani. Suppose ivelile somewhere. No, okay, sure. What happens is that now apha since kwi-spirituality into yakokwenu apha kwi-spirituality le nto bekusupposed le nto thina si-approacha now as inkolo kwi-spirituality kokwenu, and then enkolweni ngupastor qha ophethe ii-powers, nina nizi-followers, and you will always look at him or her as the supreme being or the highest or umntu closer to imighty according to whatever definition wabunayo. So kwi-spirituality nguwe wena yourself that you gonna go and be connected. Yanibam? You yourself, you must go and be connected with ihlwele zakokwenu. Yabo? Now the mystery ke ngoku of life is that phaya kulaa connection yehlwele uyakwazi ukuba ikaka yomntu, but because of igazi lakho ozelwe kulo, amandla unawo akwazi ukubeka kwipoint ukuthi ube ngusomeone. Yabo? So kwi-religion that thing is something engekho rare. Only abantwana bakaphast okanye priest that can be some other people to more, but it's not like ayibethelelwanga ibe njalo, but i-chances because of the system ziyayi-allowa ukuthi ibe possible. Yayibona ibe possible loo nto leyo. So now I found ukuthi for those who are interested, yabo, for those who are interested in power, they have to take power to whoever has the power, because umzekelo, in order to rule a community nge-guns, you have to take away zonke guns from the people so that ibe nguwe wedwa who rule with guns. Yabo, le concept efana nalaa nto yayindiconfuse uqala bamosi bona le nkolo kaJesus Christ ithi thanda ummelwane wakho ezuzithanda ubethwa ngapha nikezela nehlelo sesibini. Yabo, inintsi nje wena nkosi into evele ithetheko ibonayo kodwa ukuthi hey, if unyani sitsho uJesus ithi xa uqhwatywe left ngempama ubonikezela ngeyesibini, ooMichael aba bazi-angels oko kasibaboniswa kwezi picture baphethe isword banxibe i-armor. Can you see? So it's either le nto iyasixelela ukuthi ii-angels according to the biblical point of view, ii-angels azizange uzodlala here, zi-at war, ziyayifayitha le mzifayitha, and they know very well ukuthi when you are fighting a war you will have to use also i-guns. I-war iliwa ngezixhobo, and in war you kill. Zonke into zi-forbidden. Do not kill, do not hate, do not what, but during the time of war all these things is legal. Yayibona? So yilaa nto sometimes that ndandikandifunda no man, it seems ngathi Christianity ipreachwa in many different versions kubantu who believe kuyo, because abanye when they preach you about Christianity bapreach into yobana iba peaceful, as bedla ngotsho bathi bazizimfu, iba peaceful, ingqondo yakho ibedama like igusha or something. Don't question, susundweba like ibhokhwe, yabo, and ibhokhwe iyisymbol embi engumkhuba ombi, ibeke apha esintwini ibhokhwe iyimpilo, yabo. Iphinde inyoka ngokwasebhayibhileni ingumkhuba ombi, yabo, owenza something. Kodwa still esintwini inyoko omajula nezinye inyoka ke ezaziwayo ngabantu abanazo ezibasebenzela ngendlela ebalulekileyo okanye yakhayo engacithiyo. Uyafound ukuthi uyafound ukuthi ento zikhona qha it seems ingathi lo funeka abone ngelakhe ihlobo. Makabuye ngam, yabo. It seems ngathi everyone else izinto zibona ngokwakhe. And then apha elifini, if we observe ilife, like le nto sithi xa sithetha sithi success okanye ukuba nemali or whatever, this shit it depends ukuthi how conscious are you, because yonke le nto idependa kwi-state of mind sakho as a being, yabo. So what I was trying to say is that there is this thing that we need to decipher, yabo, apha ebungomeni, like decipher straight, so that sibe sure ukuthi when we talk about African spirituality, what are we talking about? Mabuye ngathi, buya ngathi mister. Shosho. See. Yeah, so now engathi manje dilile man. Umuntu exercise and activities ezenzekayo. So what I was saying is that I wanna in this since I explain about power, yabo, that the power it needs to be taken from others as it can be given by the highest force, because most of the time it's difficult to build high power from scratch. But it does not mean that is not a possibility, yabo. It is a possible thing, but I don't know that it's quick or can be reached. It takes generations for people like to build a legacy. So now what I'm finding and is ukuthi in if everything was turned upside down, those who came with Christianity, so I don't want to talk about things that I don't know. I'm just talking of what we know currently. Those who came with this thing, bafika bafaka igqudu apha, and leni oyile we i-Christians ezininzi ezingayifuniyo because zona zam accept Jesus Christ as ba elhlobo bambhale ngalo nohlobo kuthiwa nguye otshoyo phe encwadini. But if you can observe this thing in essence, no man, it cannot be the man, because if philosophy that seems to hold the reality a little bit are those ones of the Father, because now the Father yona said everything at its own time, an eye futhi for an eye. Ucima vamba kwakungekho necessary into nobana like uJesus Christ makapromotwe after i-crimes ezingaka ezenziwe i-Christianity. Innocent people who were murdered and those who were forced to take Christianity because of their trying to survive, kuba befuna survive abantu by all means. Anyone was doing uhloba qobanga just like it at ghetto, disease, poverty, crime, kuthiwa into lanto when the minds of the people they are not well educated or even trained, maske sime well educated sibeke ngelo hlobo literatithi trained, they are not even well trained to handle matters that are critical. So you can see ke ngokawujonga ubone bathini siyava kwakuthethwa ngedemocracy yase South Africa ba kwakukhe kwakho nento ezifana ezifana nento bana kuvalwe imedia yabo ngolendo those ones leaders as the ANC. Kuyavakala ukuthi khona into eyayagqitywa behind a closed door. Those sites are such decisions. The decisions that I found, like I used to criticize her too much, but at the end of the day I have found what about that. So I found with these decisions are necessary to be taken by those who are in power, because you can't like equilibrialize ingqondo yabo bonke abantu banje, yabo. Sisezake singqokole naleyo ba why it is a necessity ukuthi those who are in power, they must enforce izigqibo zabo. Otherwise, if they can't want to listen everyone else, soze sibhonge, soze sibe nale sayenza sawubheka phambili, yabo. So this is what it is. What that? Yabo. Cela uvule nje imamda kamagonsi sanenanga kuwe yo wona kuzebe yakutshisa yo